today we are going to stay in this hotel called Aloft Tainan Anping, which is Tainan Anping Fan Dian. This video gonna share with you that the stay experience, the review, the breakfast, the room, the facility, and from the outside we can hear that the music playing very loud. So let's go to check-in. That's the lobby, and then the check-in counter is just right on the right side. So let me check in first. As an elite member, the platinum guest, you can get 2 drinks every night. So there are white wine, red wine, beer, soft drinks, and something like a Sprite if I'm not wrong. Oh, Mountain Dew. And during check-in, they have this station, the red tea and what they call infused water and little snack you can enjoy all day long. There's a welcome drink for all guests here, and black tea and lemonade water, but it looks like a lemon infused water. I just tried the black tea, amazing, very nice. And also some of the Taiwanese snack right over here. You can just take as what you want, but don't take too much. This is a rice roll. I think there's a different color, and yeah, the princess noodle is one you should try.
We are in our room. We have been upgraded to the Savvy room on the 10th floor, 1001. It's a corner room. So when you come in, on your right hand side is where the wardrobe space is. It's an open concept wardrobe. And then there are 2 bedroom slippers provided. Can put your belongings up here also. In the drawer, you have the laundry bag, as well as an in-room safe that is pretty sizable enough for you to put like a small mobile device, for example iPad. And then you want to do the bathroom first?
So the bathroom is like this. That's the only room with bathtub. I love the hair dryer. The hair dryer is big and all the towels are here. Mirror. I have no idea how to switch on the light in the bathroom because it's dark here. I can't. Oh, hey, it's on. Yeah.
The light switch is here at bathroom.
Oh, okay. I did not see that. Sorry, my bad.
No problem.
Then there's a soap. The fragrance a bit. Musky. And also the body lotion. Then smell it. And then the amenity like toothbrushes, shaver, comb, shower cap. All this, and then the towels, 2 bottles of drinking water. How is the smell? Same smell. Fragrance. Tissue towel, and the very cool to have this protected power switch. Then I like the bathtub. So Sean, please go into the bathtub now. And here's a toilet with a bidet. So the design technology of Japan technology. Then the standing shower, handheld shower and rain shower with the same fragrance of the same brand called Dry Bar. How is the bathtub?
I like the bathtub. It's so ergonomically very comfortable.
Yeah, I like there's a grab pole there.
Yeah, then you can just lock yourself in position for me lah, and then admire the view outside.
Is that the air traffic control tower there?
I'm not.
Or maybe for the shipment.
I don't know.
Okay, then I will going to talk about the room. I think I accidentally booked the 2 bedroom rooms, so we got this bed.
Maybe just to share that there's also a full-length mirror here.
Oh yes, very nice.
So you check your grooming before you head out. Okay, we can proceed to the bedroom.
So minibar, I'll pass to you. Let me talk about the bed. So I love this room that has plenty of power plug and plenty of the USB port. And also, other than the USB-B port, they have the Type-C port. And the note right over here, the clock, and the wireless charging. Oh, lovely. Let's see. Look. Oh, it's working. Yay. Then drawer with the emergency torchlight. A little bit rough, but it looks fluffy. Then there's a beautiful color chair right over there. I like the combination. That is the only room with the balcony, but sadly cannot go out. It will be great that I can go out. I think they will try to avoid the people to smoke here. There's a kind of like walking decks with plenty of power plug here. Universal power plug, 2 universal power plug, 2 USB port, 3 USB Type B port and 1 Type C. and really got a lot of the power plug. Oh my god, that is so cute. What is it?
Okay, so welcome to the mini bar trolley. Very nicely designed, like in the shape of a trolley. And I believe this is the for drip coffee. So it actually drips down.
I would love to buy this. And it's battery operated.
Yeah, it's-
look, it's turning.
Yeah.
So why does it need to be turned?
I think for drip coffee they like to do the pulling motion.
Oh,
right?
this is so cute. I would love to buy this.
Yeah. Anyway, there's also this welcome card here that tells you a little bit about what you can expect in Anping Aloft, and they also introduce you to some of the places that you can visit in Anping, including Yuguang Island and Anping Old Street, which is on our list to visit for this trip. And then there are little snacks. I'm not sure if it's complimentary. I think it should be.
There's no price list.
So there's edamame pastry over here. Yeah, 4 packets of them, and then free drinking water. Coffee sachet. This one is the drip coffee, if I'm not wrong. And then there are tea sachets plus condiments like the sugar and creamer that is provided for. So only green tea and breakfast, English breakfast is provided. 2 coffee cups by Lucent, a Singapore brand, and then a kettle for you. And then the fridge is empty, so you can pile on your supplies from your local convenience store if you need. The drawer as well as the cabinet is actually empty. And right beside the mini bar corner is actually a TV. I'm not sure if it can be twirled around.
I think it should be a smart TV.
Can the angle be adjusted?
Oh,
it
yes.
can.
That's
Okay.
nice. Wow.
So it can be adjusted all the way there, so that as you are working at the little workspace there, you can actually watch the TV. And like what Jim said, I also believe that this should be a smart TV. So maybe it can connect to your mobile device as well.
A little bit slow, but it's from LG. Not so smart TV.
Okay.
Okay, we'll
So
share.
have you shared the chair here?
Yeah, I like the color though.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah. So we'll share the gym facility and the breakfast. There's no swimming pool here.
And also the complimentary drinks during happy hour.
Correct. It's actually not too bad to have separate beds, so it's like I will not fart under the blanket that to torture Sean, and I can turn around. Usually when we share the same bed, I will be quite gentle. Okay, so the bed here, I think it's a bed that I like.
Track count is, I think, acceptable for this hotel brand. And then the pillow wise, 2 different hardness.
Okay, so
If
let's.
we are ready,
1, 2, 3. Hey! Oh wow, it's a bouncy bed. It's really bouncy, but quite stable though. But not much of the what they call dust.
it's movable.
It's bouncy, but
Yeah,
it's actually
movable.
it's a mattress.
Okay.
It's not the
The
entire
mattress
bed.
is shifting out of place already.
A little bit. Okay, let's go under the blanket.
Under the blanket. Nice and fluffy duvet.
Yeah, and with the 2 pillow like that, it's actually quite comfortable though.
Okay, the first pillow is
That's the first pillow, and this is the second pillow.
so second pillow is more fluff.
Yes.
First pillow is slightly denser.
And it's also bouncy. So it's like he got a lot of bouncy thing here.
Bouncy.
I think I prefer the first pillow though.
I think I prefer the first one because I feel that the neck support will be optimal.
Better, yeah. So we just showered. The shower is very annoying. It will only show you number 1 and number 2.
Yeah, it doesn't. so I took a 50% chance bet, right? And then I bet correctly. Yes.
I just turned the wrong way and then like just rain shower with the cold water. It's damn annoying.
But I must say that the jet stream is really very strong.
Yes, you can change to a different types of the jet. That I like the water saver type.
And the water pressure is really very strong as well. Yeah, and then
the shampoo is okay. I like it. Actually, it's not that musky.
It smells okay lah.
Not as musky as the soap.
Yeah. So we'll take a rest.
We will go to night market and then we have 2 welcome drinks every night. We will go to the night market, then come back to drink. It's safer for us. We rented a bike and then go roll. It's quite an interesting bike. It's not that powerful, slightly pricier, but I think it's quite safe. Yeah. The gym is very small, but I like it. It has all the equipment that I need and Sean need. And they also have the drinking water station over here. The free weight, all this thing is perfect. It is just nice. Not too fancy. Yeah, and like no one here using it at all. They also have a kids club. Let me see if anyone there. If there's no one there, I will show you the kids club. The kids club is very cute. I like the color here, all the soft color. And it's quite safe. A lot of cushion for the kids to run around. I have a lot of dreams, but the bed is very comfortable.
Yes. I had one of my better sleeps in the hotels in Taipei during this trip. Yeah.
It's very quiet. This area had completely no noise. No people around here. Then the night view is undisturbed.
Yeah.
No crazy stupid rider or driver.
Yeah, I like the fact that we are surrounded by greenery. So when you wake up, it's like very refreshing.
Yeah. Okay, let's go to have breakfast now. This is a breakfast area. You get all the 4 different types of juices, soya milk and cereal, toast and coffee and hot soya milk right over here. They have a very cute matcha bread. And here is the salad. It looks good. Smoked duck, lettuce, leafy salad, cheeses, and then the banana. Over here, there's something missing here. They have the fried vegetable with meatball, fried egg, hard-boiled egg. Then the mushroom looks like crispily fried, and then fish, sausages, bacon. Oh wow, there is a sesame oil rice blood. Then the pork pie. Let's see what it is. This is a mixed bun with the mantou. And this one is Hong Kong dim sum. Over here there is beef soup and milk fish ball, which is a sipaku. And they are using the beef from USA, Australia and New Zealand. All their pork are using Taiwanese pork. Then these are the condiments for the fish, beef soup and the fish soup. Here is the cut fruits. There's a papaya, guava, watermelon, and that's a plum powder for the what they call the fruits. And 4 different types of yogurts. Let me see what else is this. They have another salad bar with all the leaf salad and 2 different types of dressing. Then this is rice stations. So what they call the Pride of Taiwan rice Tainan 16. Oh, so they are using a special types of the rice, and then this is the porridge. Some people call it congee, and I think it has some spring onion inside. So the porridge has the condiments, 6 different types of condiments for you. I'm going to that counter. I think it's a pancake counter. You can just it's just a toast counter. You can just use your the bread to make your own toast, and 6 different types of condiment. We are going to check out, and we decided to do the review before we check out. And I will say that I love this hotel.
I love this hotel too. It's one of the more comfortable stay during this whole trip so far.
It is not too elegant, classic, high class. It's just a comfortable house for a long stay.
Even without evening cocktail hour, with only 2 complimentary drinks per night, I think that is still like beat some of the hotels that we experienced.
It's just nice because there are lots of hotels. They have way too many facilities that we will choose to stay in the hotel. But this hotel, it had the what they call facility that we need. Then we can just do it everything. Lots of activity, especially yesterday. We went out whole day. We got terrible bad sunburn, and sleep quality here is very good. I love the natural light. I love this Savvy room very much. A lot of greenery and very quiet.
Same as Jim, I really like the environment, the natural light that's shining in, and the comfortable bed, plus the spacious bathroom and the water pressure and temperature that changes very fast. The bathroom amenities, after you used it for a couple of times, you get used to the smell. It's actually quite nice. Yeah, including the shampoo and the conditioner, so that's great. Plus the fact that it's actually quite near. If let's say you rent a car or a scooter, right, you can actually go to the neighborhood eating places to find like good food. So that's like a plus for us. And then it's not very busy. You can just like roam around the neighborhood and you won't actually bump into a lot of tourists, so that's great.
One recommendation restaurant that you must try is Qi New Rou Tang.
Yeah.
We love that very much. It's about like 15 minutes or 10 minutes drive away. We ride the bike very slow. Then the breakfast is amazing. It's the option and the quality is just nice. Not too much of the food option, and the quality, we love every single dish.
And I think they kind of mix the international food selection with the local selection pretty well. So it's of the decent proportion so that you get to taste a little bit of everything.
Okay, so with that, we strongly you to stay here at least 2 nights. Get the motorbike to ride around Tainan is quite pretty easy, especially at night. The city area is almost like dead down. Like you can drive to the night market area is like quite easy. Then I strongly recommend you to stay here.
And I think Jim will agree with me to say that the roads over here in Tainan, especially the Anping area, is easier to negotiate.
Yes. So with that, we hope you like the video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, a good recommendation for you in Thailand.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye-bye.